You could lose everything if you don't realize that the stock market's biggest barrier, the high cost of entry, just vanished. $5 is all it takes to own a slice of Amazon right now, bypassing the suits and the massive bank accounts that once gatekept wealth. By swapping your spare change for fractional shares, you are bypassing the archaic systems of the past and claiming your stake in the world's most powerful corporate giants today. Value curious. And the last method I'm going to show you, it is completely automated, meaning you can build wealth while you sleep without ever checking a ticker symbol. Sit back, grab a cup of water, and let's get to it. Buying a fractional share is simpler than ordering a pizza on your phone. Think of a share of stock like a large pizza pie. Traditionally, to buy into a company, you have to purchase the whole pizza. If a single share of a tech giant costs $3,000, you were locked out. But fractional shares change the geometry of that pizza. Now, you can buy a single slice. You own the same quality, the same rights, and the same growth potential, just in a smaller portion. My friend Marcus tried this with a popular investment app in early 01 2022. He started by putting $5 a week into a basket of 5 different tech stocks. He wasn't trying to time the market. He was just trying to show his daughter how investing worked. By the end of that year, he had $260 invested, and he was surprised to see it had actually grown by 12%. He realized that the barrier to entry wasn't capital. It was just his own hesitation. You might be thinking that $5 is too small to matter. Let's do the math on that. If you invest $5 every single week into a low-cost SP 500 index fund, assuming a historical average return of 7%, you'd have over $15,000 in 20 years. And that's just from the price of a fancy coffee once a week. The reality is that consistency beats intensity every single time. Now, here is where things get interesting. You don't just pick a stock and hope for the best. You need to understand how these orders actually work behind the scenes. When you place a buy order for $5 of Amazon, you aren't waiting for a human broker to manually split a share. It happens instantly through the platform's API. The brokerage firm acts as the middleman, holding the whole shares in their own account and crediting your digital ledger with the fraction. It's a clean, efficient process that has democratized finance for millions of retail investors since the major brokerage firms began offering this service around 2019. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe. I drop videos like this every week to help you navigate your financial journey. If this is clicking for you, a quick subscribe helps me keep making these, and it keeps you in the loop for the next breakdown. Okay, so that works great for beginners. But what if I told you there is something even better? Something that requires zero effort once you set it up. All right, this is the one I've been saving for you. It is the concept of automated recurring investments, or what pros call dollar cost averaging. Instead of logging in to buy $5 manually, you set your account to automatically pull $5 from your bank account every Monday morning. Why is this the gold standard? Because it removes your emotions from the equation entirely. Humans are hardwired to panic when the market dips and to get greedy when it climbs. If you automate the process, you buy more shares when the price is low and fewer shares when the price is high. A 2024 report by the National Bureau of Economic Research showed that investors who used automated contributions stayed invested 60% longer than those who tried to time their entries manually. That is a massive difference in long-term wealth accumulation. Imagine waking up in 5 years and realizing you own a significant piece of a global conglomerate without ever having had to watch the red or green arrows on a screen. That is true financial freedom. Once you see it this way, you can't unsee it. The most important takeaway isn't the specific stock you choose, it's the habit you build. Whether you buy $5 of Amazon, Apple, or an entire sector via an exchange-traded fund, the mechanics remain the same. You are converting idle cash into productive assets. Think about it. That $5 sitting in your checking account loses value every year due to inflation. By putting it into a fractional share, you are essentially fighting back against the rising cost of living, one slice at a time. So there you go. 3 real ways to start investing with as little as $5, and the last one alone could change your entire financial picture. It isn't about being rich today. It's about making sure your future self has options that you don't even have yet. If you got value from this, share it with someone who needs to hear it and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I have a video coming out next week that covers how to choose your first stock without getting overwhelmed by the noise, so stay tuned for that. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. You now understand the power of fractional shares, the importance of recurring automation, and the psychology behind why this approach wins long term. Remember, the barrier to entry was never the price of the stock. It was the belief that you needed hundreds or thousands of dollars to join the game. You've broken through that barrier. The tools are available, the systems are automated, and the strategy is clear. Start small, be consistent, and watch how those tiny slices add up over time. You're not just buying a stock, you're buying a stake in the future. It's a journey, and you've taken the first real step today. Don't stop now. There's always another level to reach, and I'm going to be here to show you exactly how to get there. Take a look at your account, set up that first automated transfer, and feel the relief that comes with knowing you're officially in the game. That is the secret that the financial elites have used for decades, and now it's firmly in your hands. Take care, and I will see you in the next deep dive into your financial future.